And guys, good morning, good morning. Ayan po ang ating breakfast for today, araw ng linggo. Ayan, plain rice with hot dog at syempre may dried fish po tayo. Ayan. At may sinigang tayong sabaw. Ayan, only sabaw po tayo. Ayan. Only rice din po tayo. Ayan po ang ating breakfast ngayong araw na to. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Thanks for coming and thanks for always supporting my channel. Please like and share my YouTube channel na Tantalizing Eyes. Maraming salamat and good morning. Ayan guys, tara kain po tayo. Ayan, sarap ng sinigang na sabaw with matching toyo. Ayan sarap ng toyo. Ayan guys, maraming salamat and good morning sa inyong lahat. Have a nice, blessed Sunday morning. Maraming salamat. Good morning.